ancient whisper on the wind, a story told of painted skies and spirits bold. The drumbeat echoes deep inside my soul. For Mother Earth, the love that makes me whole. I walk the path the elders showed me true. Beneath the sun bathed in morning dew. With eagles soaring, teaching me to fly. A silent promise to the endless sky. Oh, the land, it runs through my veins. Through seasons of sun and pouring rains. I hear the wolf call in the moon's soft glow. A sacred bond that helps my spirit grow. From towering pines to rivers cold and clear. This hallowed ground, I hold it ever dear. The buffalo, the deer, the bear, the fox, all woven in the strength of these ancient rocks. I speak to trees, they answer with a sigh. A gentle rustle as the breeze goes by. I see the wisdom in the smallest stone. This precious home, I'll never be alone. With every footprint on the mossy ground, a sacred peace and harmony is found. I thank the water, every drop so sweet, and feel the warmth of the sun's gentle heat. Oh, the land, it runs through my veins. Through seasons of sun and pouring rains. I hear the wolf call in the moon's soft glow. A sacred bond that helps my spirit grow. From towering pines to rivers cold and clear. This hallowed ground, I hold it ever dear. The buffalo, the deer, the bear, the fox, all woven in the strength of these ancient rocks. So listen close and you will understand the heart of a warrior, the soul of this land.
Dzisiaj z Mareczkiem postanowiliśmy zejść na dno kanionu. Chcieliśmy osiągnąć taką polankę. Niestety tam nie doszliśmy, ale doszliśmy do miejsca, gdzie zawracają muły, czyli do pięknego miejsca zwanego Edenem. To jest chyba Indian Village. Teraz wracamy. Szliśmy najpierw na słońcu, było bardzo ciężko. Bardzo nas to wymęczyło, ale teraz weszliśmy w cień i w cieniu mamy do zrobienia jeszcze 1/3 wysokości do samej góry. Wspaniała.
I'm done with their demands. My old wildcat waits outside for me. Daily chrome shining like it's meant to be. I fire her up and the engine growl low. Big block thunder in a midnight glow. Two friends jump with a laugh and a shout. Got a cooler full of beer and a long road out. Worn out seats but a hell of a ride. Three fool-loos with nothing to hide. Wildcat 430 tearing through the night. Windows down and the stars inside. CD player screaming all our songs. Speeding where the heart belongs. Wildcat 430 howling loud and free. Burning miles like it's meant to be. We ain't rich but the road feels right. Wildcat 430 owns the night. Gas station glow on a dusty lane. Laughing hard just to kill the strain. Met a girl who winked at the wrong one of us. She left with her and we made no fuss. Sleeping crammed in the backseat cold. The three broke kids but the dream filled bold. Sun comes up on a warm windshield. Engine heat rising like a battlefield. Festival lights drawing near again. Wildcat rumbling like a loyal friend. Wildcat 430 tearing through the night. Windows down and the stars inside. CD player screaming all the songs. Speeding where the heart belongs. Wildcat 430 howling loud and free. Burning miles like it's meant to be. We ain't rich but the road feels right. Wildcat 430 owns the night. Dawn on the hood and the world stands still. We drink what's left, chasing one more thrill. Monday waits, but it won't break me. I live for moments when the road sets me free. Wildcat 430 tearing through the night. Windows down and the stars inside. CD player screaming all our songs. Speeding where the heart belongs. Wildcat 430 howling loud and free. Burning miles like it's meant to be. Yeah, the week gets rough, but this feels right. Wildcat 430, yeah. Wildcat 430. One more ride for the light. Wildcat 430 owns the night.
Oh, when I was a little bitty baby, mama would rock me in the crib in them old cotton fields around home. It was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana, in them old cotton fields back home. When them cotton rolls get rotten, you can't pick very much cotton. back home. It was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana, in them old